All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Litecoin. Yep, they consider it the Bitcoin is the gold and Litecoin is the silver. We're going to talk about Litecoin, what's going on with the price prediction, where it's at, last 7 days, the last 24 hours. Also go over to the website, dig into a little bit on the website, and SBI Group launches crypto assets fund for Japanese investors. This is going to be pretty big. And guess what? Of course, when they launch this fund, Litecoin is right in there. So there's some other coins that you're going to be familiar with, but today we're talking about Litecoin. Litecoin is in this new fund for the Japanese investors. Pretty big right there. Also, then we're going to be talking about hacking going on with the Discord. There's a hacking going on with Discord for NFTs. I don't know if you heard about it. We're going to talk about it for a little bit, but be careful. We're going to go to an article that they launched something and people go on there and actually it just wasn't good. So we're going to go in the middle of the video to kind of talk about watching out for the hackers with the Discords. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own cryptocurrency, own some NFTs, mine some coins, all kinds of stuff. The new millennium, the cryptocurrency that's here today. All right, let's head over to Litecoin. All right, right over here, coin market cap. Litecoin is the number 23rd cryptocurrency on the list. It's down 10% in the last 7 days, right around flirting with that discount buy that I like, 12, 15, 20%. It's down 10%. Last 24 hours, this token is down about 4%. Clicking it. Again, over to the right here, $131, down 4%. Let's check out the last 7 days. Last 7 days, it's just kind of like everything else that we see. After the Feds talked about increasing the interest rate 3 times this next year, all the different cryptocurrencies are dropping a little bit. All right, so right here it was kind of going and then it just dropped. So we're going to kind of go over this in a little bit. Let's check out the holders of Litecoin. Click in 3 months. So Litecoin has a lot of holders. So I don't know how much of an increase or where it's going to be, but they have a lot of holders. So let's check it out. So 3 months ago, we had Litecoin had 4.2 million holders, and today they got 4.2 million holders. So there's been some dips along the way, but basically they're still at 4.2 million holders of the Litecoin. So 4 million people holding the Litecoin today. This cryptocurrency has been around for 10 years. Over at the website, the cryptocurrency for payments based on blockchain technology. You know, what is Litecoin? Most people probably know, but Litecoin is a peer-to-peer internet currency that enables instant, near zero cost payments for anyone in the world. Litecoin is an open source global payment network that is fully decentralized without any central authorities. Mathematics secures the network and empowers individuals to control their own finances. Litecoin features fast transaction confirmation times and improved storage efficiency than the leading math-based currency. The substantial industry support, trade volume, and liquidity, Litecoin is proven medium, complementary to Bitcoin. A lot of different things here. We got the community going on. We got resources going on with Litecoin. We got open source software with the Litecoin. We got blockchain. What does it say about the blockchain? It says the Litecoin blockchain is capable of handling higher transaction volumes than its counterpart, Bitcoin. Due to the more frequent block generation, the network supports more transactions without the need to modify the software in the future. As a result, merchants get faster confirmation times while still having the ability to wait for more confirmations when selling bigger ticket items. The one I like over here, mining rewards. Miners are currently rewarded 12.5 new Litecoins per block, an amount which gets halved roughly every 4 years. The Litecoin network is therefore scheduled to produce 84 million Litecoins, which is 4 times as many currency units as Bitcoin. All right, so let's go over to the big news today. SBC Group launches crypto assets fund for Japanese investors. So it says right here, the SBC Group crypto asset funds consists of 7 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and right here where we're talking about a Litecoin, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Chainlink, and Polkadot, none exceeding more than 20% in ratio. SBI Group will now allow general Japanese investors to purchase cryptocurrency via its newly launched crypto asset fund. So this is for Japanese investors, and it's a crypto asset fund. The fund is composed of 7 cryptocurrencies. And again, Litecoin is right in there, of course. Bitcoin, Ethereum, there's our Litecoin. Ripple made it, Bitcoin Cash, Chainlink, Polkadot. The crypto asset fund will be traded and operated by the SBI Alternative Fund, which was established December 2nd, and a dedicated capital of 5 million yen. However, the company may choose to release a capital in smaller breakups of 1 million yen each. So here you go. You got your Japanese company, and here's your different, obviously, your logos and stuff like that of the 7 different companies. You know, Litecoin, of course, is right there. Here you go, Litecoin. Thank you so much, Litecoin. According to official statement, investors will be required to go through an application process that includes an enormous partnership agreement, which includes an anonymous partnership agreement with the SBI Alternative Fund prior to the purchase. The company reasoning behind the move states, since it's not suitable for all customers, it can only be purchased by customers who meet certain standards set by the company. In addition to contributing to Japanese crypto adoption, SBI continues to spread other jurisdictions. Most recently, the company invested in Singapore crypto exchange name CoinHako. All right, everybody. So there you go. SBI Group launches crypto assets fund for Japanese investors, and of course, Litecoin is in there. So give us your thoughts in the bottom. Do you own some Litecoin? It's been around for 10 years. What do you think of Litecoin? I know the coins were way up earlier this year. We're going to go over that, where it's going right now. Do a little price prediction on that. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, I want to jump over here real quick. Discord hacking is the newest threat for NFT buyers. One compromised admin account led to 2 projects being scammed in a day. So, yeah, not too good, everybody. Says December 21st, 2 NFT projects fell victim to the same attack. Like many projects in the crypto world, the NFT collection, Monkey Kingdom, and in-game asset marketplace, heavily with their community through a Discord chat service. Both projects were about to distribute rewards of their community members. Monkey Kingdom through an NFT pre-sale on the day of the 21st, and Fraction through a token airdrop. The essential of free distribution to early supporters a few days later. Then, disaster struck. Posts appeared in the official announcement to channel each project claiming that a surprise mint would reward the community members with a limited edition NFT. Hundreds jumped on the chance. But for those who followed the link and connected their crypto wallets, a costly surprise was waiting. Rather than receiving the NFTs they bought, the wallets were drained of all their Solana cryptocurrency which both projects used for purchase. In a space of an hour, the Twitter post from Monkey Kingdom, then from Fractal, informed the followers that their Discord service had been hacked. News on the NFT mints was bogus. The links were phishing frauds. In this case, the scammers got away with about $150,000 worth of cryptocurrency from Monkey Kingdom, and the estimated total was reported to be $1.3 million. Neither attacked the target, the blockchain, or the tokens themselves. Instead, the thieves exploit weaknesses in the infrastructure used to sell the tokens, especially the Discord chat room where the NFT fans gathered. It reminds of the persistent weakness in the growing NFT economy, where surprises drops have primed buyers to move fast, risk missing out. But the same technology that hypes the sales can also be the door to open up for the hackers. In this case, a single compromise can end up spreading to more than one community all at once. So yeah, in the Discord for NFTs, be careful. I mean, they're getting hacked and stuff like that. I mean, it's kind of, because I understand about the pre-sale and they launch something and you want to do it fast and you connect your wallet. So I'm just bringing this to the channel just to be careful out there with these Discords and the NFTs and getting hacked. All right, let's head back over to Litecoin. Back over here at the website, I'm going to click Foundation real quick. And when you click Foundations, you got all kinds of things. Again, Litecoin's been around for 10 years. So this is a cryptocurrency that you don't have to really worry about it probably going away in a year or two. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but we got a 10-year track record right here. You know, you can get fleece, you can get shoes, you can get stuff for your laptop, you can get socks. I mean, you can get all kinds of things here. You can get hats, more things for your laptop, coffee cups. Over to the left, you got clothing, kids, men's, flip-flops, sponsors, phone cases. Let's check out phone cases. You want a Litecoin phone case? You can get a phone case for Litecoin. That's going to be at the top of the website over here to the right, Foundations. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, I wanted to show you this. 3 months ago, Litecoin got to 273, 260, 207. I want to go back a year. It's 132 right now. A year ago, the coin got to 370. It got to 258. I mean, it got to 200 many times. Year to date, I mean, right now it's at 132. My point here with everything is this coin is literally double where it's at right now, 348. What was that? What did it say? 377. I'm sorry. So my price prediction is this token is going to go back up to over 200. You can easily say that. Again, my information is for educational purposes only. But if you follow any of the Litecoin charts for a couple years or whatever, it goes up and goes down. Right now, everything is down. This could be definitely a good project to look at if you're going to try to invest. Litecoin, again, has been around for 10 years, everybody. There's a 10% dip in the last 7 days, so that could be beneficial if you're looking at that. Algorand's got a 14% dip last 7 days. Crypto.com is that down 17%. Now look at this. Chainlink is actually up 31%. Chainlink is jumping off the charts, everybody. Matic is down 19%. Discount Buy. Avalanche is down 21%. Luna's down 19%. Solana's down 19%. Come on, everybody likes Solana. Binance Coin's down 12%. Ethereum's even down 13%. And Bitcoin's down 10%. All right, so think about your discount buys. Again, thanks for tuning in. Litecoin a little bit. Watch out in the Discords for the hackers, for the NFTs. You just got to be careful on everything you do. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody, this was a bonus video. Thanks for tuning in. Have a fantastic day. We'll see you tomorrow.